Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Samsung 43-inch LED TV. Model UA43N5003AR. It's turning on, and the backlight is illuminated, but no image appears on the screen. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started.
Siguro son, meron.
The TV has no image, so let's check the voltages of the timing control or the T-con. Let's first measure the 12-volt main supply of the T-con. We can measure it to this SMD fuse. The voltage is 12.0 volts. Seems we don't have a problem with the 12 volt supply. Let's measure the DC to DC voltages. The VAVDD is 0 volts. The VGL is 0 volts. And the VGH is also 0 volts. The DC to DC voltages seem not working. Missing DC to DC voltages can be a leaky CKV lines. So let's try to remove these flat wires that connect to the CKV LCD panel. Now let's try if the DC to DC voltages will turn on. We still don't have the DC to DC voltages. So the problem is in this T-con. If the DC to DC voltages are missing, it is probably a short ceramic capacitor or the DC to DC buck converter IC is the problem. So let's set the multimeter to continuity mode. Beep means a possible short circuit. The negative probe will be connected to the ground. Tap the positive probe to the ceramic capacitors to which the DC to DC rail line is connected. If both terminals of the capacitor beep, it means a possible short circuit. There is a short circuit in this area. Let's use again this multi-voltage transformer to inject voltage into the shorted rail line. It is connected between the 3 volts and the 4.5 volts. Of course, we need a rectifier diode and a capacitor to convert it to DC volts. So the voltage will be at about 1.5 volts. The voltage is only about 1.1 volts, but let's just inject it. If we have a thermal camera, it will be easy to spot the heating component. I don't feel any hot component. Seems 1.1 volts is not enough to heat the shorted component. Let's transfer the transformer connection between 0 and 3 volts and try it again. I feel hot in this area. I apply a candle to the suspected hot area so we can see the candle melts. As you can see, this diode melts the candle. So this diode is the shorted component. Let's remove the diode. The short circuit is gone. This diode is really shorted. The diode code is HE, I think it's a Zener diode. I don't see a data sheet on Google. It may be a 5-volt Zener diode. It is connected to the lines of these capacitors. The symbol of the diode is Zener. There is no function of the Zener diode, is only for overvoltage protection. And I think the voltage don't go high, so the Zener diode gets shorted. It may be the Zener diode got shorted on its own. We don't have that kind of Zener diode, so let's just leave it there empty. Let's try if the DC to DC will turn on without the Zener diode. The voltage where the Zener diode at is 3.3 volts. The VGH is 29.9 volts. The VGL is negative 5.5 volts. And the VAVDD is 16.2 volts. Seems the DC to DC voltages are normal even though the Zener diode is not present. Let's connect back the flat wires and see if it will work. The TV seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Some DC to DC don't put a Zener diode across the rail line, so it is okay not to replace the Zener diode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefts. See you again next time. Bye for now.